The deep sea is a world of darkness, pressure, and danger. Deep sea is a mysterious and fascinating place filled with some of the most terrifying creatures on Earth. In fact, some of the scariest monsters known to man can be found lurking in the ocean's darkest depths. These creatures have adapted in some of the most unique and terrifying ways. So are you ready to dive into the dark and dangerous world of the deep sea? Let's explore the scariest monsters that call it home. From razor-sharp teeth to glowing eyes and tentacles, these monsters will give you nightmares. Let's get started. Number 10. Red octopus, also known as the glowing sucker octopus or bioluminescent octopus. This red octopus is eerily beautiful. Its mantle can be up to 10 centimeters long, with arms around 4 times the length of the body with a total length to about 50 centimeters. Found in the deep Atlantic waters off the U.S. coast, the 8 arms of red octopus are connected by webbing that it uses to swim. Rows of glowing bioluminescent suckers trail down its 8 arms and glow in the deep sea. Scientists think these glow-in-the-dark suckers may be used to attract planktonic prey like insects drawn to a light. The species has been recognized for at least 100 years, but it wasn't until 1999 that scientists realized it glowed, can be found in depths of the ocean ranging from 600 to 13,000 feet. This large range seems to relate to water temperature. 9. Deep-sea blob sculpin. Remember the horror movie, The Blob? This sculpin bears some resemblance to the invading alien. Blobfish are usually found in dark, cold habitats deep between 2,000 and 3,900 feet along the U.S. West Coast and can get caught in nets that indiscriminately trawl the seafloor for commercially important species like crabs. They can reach more than 2 feet in length. Number 8. Sea pigs. You're probably familiar with seahorses, but what about sea pigs? These oinkers have 8 to 12 legs and are actually a type of sea cucumber found in very deep waters, typically at depths of over 4,000 to 16,000 feet throughout the world's ocean. Can grow to 4 to 6 inches in length. They have a large mouth they use to eat detritus, which floats down from the surface above. They eat their meals by sucking up the mud on the ocean floor to obtain all of the detritus. 7. The goblin shark. The goblin shark is a rare species of deep-sea shark, sometimes called a living fossil. Goblin shark is reminiscent of a prehistoric dinosaur with its long snout, small eyes, and jagged teeth. The shark's extended snout helps it look for food on the ocean floor, and its jaw extends and retracts. These animals can grow 12 feet long in length. It is the only extinct representative of the family Mitsukurinidae, a lineage some 125 million years old. They live near the sea bottom at depths, ranging from 500 to 6,000 feet in specific locations in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Number 6. The proboscis worm. Proboscis worm grows to lengths up to 6 to 7 feet, with a diameter of approximately 2 centimeters and scavenges for grub on the seafloor. These worms will eat pretty much anything they come across and have few, if any, predators. This scavenger and predator is widely distributed in Antarctic Ocean. This species found in depths of up to 11,780 feet. 5. Zombie worms live in the bones of dead whales. With no mouth, anus, or gut, the 4-centimeter-long worms survive by secreting an acid that breaks up the whalebone. With the help of a symbiotic partner in crime, bacteria that digest whale fat, worms are able to absorb nutrients. Zombie worms found all over the world. From shallow Swedish waters to the Mediterranean Sea to the freezing depths of the Antarctic Ocean, bone-drilling zombie worms chew away at whale skeletons. In February 2002, the worms were found living on the bones of a decaying gray whale in the Monterey Canyon at a depth of 9,491 feet. Number 4. Stonefish. Perfectly camouflaged to look like a rock on the floor of a coral reef, the stonefish is the most venomous fish in the world. It has 13 spines along its back that release the venom, which can kill humans within just a few hours. This species lives in the Indo-Pacific Ocean. Stonefish grow up to 35 centimeters in length, can mainly be found on rocky seabeds close to coral reefs, at depths of 164 to 980 feet. 3. The Sloane's viperfish. At less than a foot long, the Sloane's viperfish may seem relatively harmless, but its teeth are a force to be reckoned with. The fang-like chompers are more than half the size of the viper's head, allowing the fish to impale prey by swimming at the victim head first, mouth agape. Found in waters across the world, at depths from 1640 to 8,000 feet. It's a master of the ambush attack, lying in wait for prey to swim by before pouncing with lightning-fast reflexes. Number 2, giant isopods. Giant isopods are creepy-looking crustaceans that could come straight from an alien movie. They're generally scavengers, but have been known to use their 4 sets of jaws to feed on live prey. Had an armored exoskeleton, and they have 7 pairs of legs too. They are abundant in the cold, deep waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Giant isopods live in the deep where they catch what prey they can, including slow-moving sea cucumbers, sponges, and nematodes, but mostly scavenge the dead carcasses of fish, squid, and whales. Although the largest species averages a length between 19 to 36 centimeters, but there have been sightings of isopods that are 76 centimeters long, found at a depth between 1,198 to 2,395 feet. Number 1, the scariest creature of the deep sea is frilled shark. This prehistoric-looking creature has rows of needle-like teeth and a long, eel-like body that makes it look like something out of a nightmare. When you hear the name frilled shark, lace and doilies may come to mind, but this shark species gets its name for its frilly-looking gills. Seldom observed by humans, the species lurks deep in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans at depths between 400 to 5,150 feet. The jaws of a frilled shark are lined with 25 rows of backward-facing, trident-shaped teeth. If your maths is any good, you know that adds up to 300 razor-sharp teeth in total. The frilled shark can grow up to 6.5 feet in length. For 80 million years, they've lived on Earth. Frilled sharks have been swimming the Earth's depths since the time of dinosaurs. And that's a wrap on our deep-sea adventure. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown and scary world of deep-sea creatures. Did we miss any of your favorite deep-sea monsters? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the fascinating and sometimes terrifying creatures of the deep sea, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. See you on our next adventure.